Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I will talk about how a small boy able to monetize his channel only in a few days. According to me, the criteria that work behind monetization of channel of that boy in very few days, even the boy is new to YouTube, are as follow. Number one is short video. That boy make only short video. The length of video that made by that boy is nearly 1 minute to 2 minutes. The benefit of making short video is that whenever YouTube recommend this video to someone, that however not no a small YouTuber, but the length of the video is short, then unknown audience can also engage with their video. But instead of short video, let's assume if someone make long video, then what was your problem? uh, Losses of long video, because audience retention of long video is very small, because in the beginning of new YouTuber no one audience know about that YouTuber, and no one audience like to watch video completely or long video. It look like boring. And second reason is support from big YouTuber. Whenever that boy start making video, the video of that boy get viral due to this short length video, then the big YouTuber like Saurabh Joshi and Manoj, they commented on their video and their video also get viral. Let's friends, a small YouTuber also play important role, because a small YouTuber make video about that boy, that how that a small boy able to get so many subscriber in very few days. I also make this video. It is also source of their getting viral. And number phone, YouTube search, there is no role of YouTube search, because in the beginning uh, no any person know about that boy, because aditya is Aditya is name of the boy that I am talking about. So Aditya is new to YouTube, and no one know him previously. So there is no role of YouTube search in this condition. And number 5, title, no much role also of title, because the title added by that boy is not something that people go for search for YouTube. And thank you for watching video completely. Or please subscribe this channel if you want to support me, and support a small YouTuber like me. Thank you for watching this video, guys.